Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision Free newsletter. You are speaking with Hao. This morning, North Korea fired another missile that possibly flew over Japan, which create a big panic in the market. Then that's why a risk aversion is really picking up from the market right now. But for us as a trader, that means trend, which is a potential good trading opportunities for us. So that's why I share some of the pairs that I'm stalking closely with you. First, of course, dollar yen. And dollar yen, we can see this morning, finally price broke through this support level around 108.80 with the help of the missile. And we can see this is what happened, and this is actually after the US market closed. Then the news comes out, and this is a big selling pressure on here. So that's why I'm stalking an entry to short dollar yen if the price can pull back to 108.80-ish. So the time frame I'm stalking right now is based on the 1 hour chart. So 108.80 should be somewhere around here. This is the old support resistance line on the daily chart. So of course, if we drill down to the 1 hour chart, so the best way to draw this resistance lines around here. So the area between 108.64 to 108.80 is going to be the key area for me to look for a short trade setup. So probably not from 60-minute chart, maybe from an even lower time frame, but this two level I will keep a close eye on. If the price starts to find resistance and turns down from here and catching up with, say, moving average sell zone on any of this time frame, this may offer me a really good potential shorting opportunities, because on the high time frame, this a trend on the weekly chart starts to picking up momentum right now. So if the price really starts to move lower, then the next support level is around 105. So which is a potentially 300 pips window to the short side. This is first one, dollar yen. Then of course, risk aversion means gold and silver. This safe haven is also picking up momentum. You can see this is the gold weekly chart, and price has just broken out of a consolidation range on the weekly chart, and also broken through the 1300 level. So this trend is very strong on the weekly chart for gold. Next potential resistance level is around here, $1,380 mark. So potentially $60 to the upside, which is very, very nice. Then also on the daily chart, we can see more and more clear about this resistance level around 1300. Now as everything has been cleared. Then coming down time frame, the key time frame stalking is from 60-minute chart as well. So first from the 60-minute chart is here. This is the gap up because of the news. Then price shoot up a little bit and still holding at a high level. So that's why I'm not going to chase the market, but instead I will be stalking a pullback somewhere around here. 1300 is here, so probably not from the 60-minute chart, but from the 4 hour chart. So 1300 is here. So this will be the ideal level for me to look for an entry if the price pulls back. Number 1 is a round number. Number 2 is a major resistance level. Number 3, if the price pulls back, this will be back into the moving average buy zone as well on the 4 hour chart. Then number 5, if I draw a Fibonacci retracement line from the low to the top, this is exactly at 50% pullback. So there are multiple technical factors points to me the gold is more likely to reverse back up if the price confirms support at 1300 level. So that's why this is the level I'm stalking an entry for gold. Silver looks pretty much similar, and especially price on the weekly chart has reversed into an uptrend, higher high and higher low. The key is the price is trading above $17 mark. So this is the daily chart. Let me mark the $17 mark, which is here. A really strong level over the past. Now over the past 2 or 3 weeks, the price just fighting around this level. Now finally the price confirmed its breaking up right now. Potential resistance level is here, and $18.50 around here. So this is a $1 potential window to the upside, which is very nice. So similar to gold, I'm stalking an entry from 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, this is also a consolidation range that has been broken. And that's why if the price pulls back to test the top of the consolidation range, it will be a ideal place to look for a long trade. So drawing Fibonacci line again from this low to the top, this is at 38%. So instead of 50% on gold, this is only 38%. So that's why it adds to the probability, but it's not going to be as strong as the 50%. But there still is a cluster level on the Fibonacci. So that's why it's also at a bonus factor for the price to turn around at this level around 1725. So look for a pullback, sitting on top of it, catching up with the moving average buy zone. Then this will be a good place to look for an entry to the long side for the silver. And yeah, these are the three products you may call safe haven products. Yeah, yen is a safe haven product, and gold and silver as well, that I'm stalking closely for today and coming days. And hope that helps everyone.